Today is the happiest day of my life because it marks the beginning of a new chapter for us, a chapter even a global pandemic couldn't stop. My dearest Richard, as you read this, we are moments away from being husband and wife. As I write this, I'm glancing at a letter you wrote me in high school. You write to me in it, you exemplify perfection. You reference our tumultuous beginnings and note our unique high school love. Reading this letter today that you wrote to me nearly 10 years ago makes me feel so overwhelmed by your love.
Vanessa, I love you. I can't wait to see what our future holds. Over the past 10 years, we've played active roles in shaping each other into the groom and bride taking vows today, and I'm so incredibly proud of the woman you've already become and the doctor you'll be soon. Our future children will be blessed to have you as a mother, just as I will be to have you as a partner in marriage.
Not everyone can say that they found their life partner as a teenager, but we can. And along these years, my love and admiration for you has grown. I know that I am indecisive about literally everything, but marrying you is the easiest, surest decision I've ever made.
This isn't the wedding we imagined just 3 months ago, but it's all I could have ever dreamed because it will end with us being husband and wife, and that's all I could ever ask for. So hurry up and get ready. I'm tired of waiting for my forever to begin. Yours always, Richie.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered together here in the sight of God and in the face of this company to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
Vanessa Jane, I love everything about you, from your seemingly endless compassion to your undying fire, beauty, and sense of empathy. It's incredible to think that us standing at this arbor started with a kiss as part of a trivial sports bet in the 11th grade.
So now, today, in front of God and our loved ones, I make these vows to you. I vow to be a team player and consult with you. I vow to raise our children in a family where they feel safe and loved for who they are. I will work to build our relationship and family under the guidance and care of God. I promise to love you when it's easy and when it takes effort. Through our union, we can accomplish more than we might alone. Even in the darkest days, when things may be uncertain, we will be one another's rocks.
Vanessa, I solemnly vow to serve as your partner today and forever. Your partner in marriage, in love, in laughter, in life. I promise to always be there for you physically, emotionally, and spiritually on your best day and on your worst, while also providing you a clear view to my innermost feelings, fears, and dreams. I promise to continue building a life and family together better than either of us could imagine on our own. I promise to respect, cherish, and value you forever. And I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how blessed I am to have you in my life.
I pronounce you now husband and wife. Amen.
Amen.
You may kiss your bride.
Wait for it.
Okay. Okay.